Hello everybody, my name is Fahad and this video is about the like operator. Okay, in the last video we have learned about the three different functions that were the average, the sum and the count. Okay, so in this video we will be talking about the like operator. Okay, so first of all let me just define you the like operator. We always use the like operator in the where clause and it looks for the specified pattern, okay, in the column. I think you haven't get it, so let me just show you here. So just select name, continent, where, continent, like. Okay, so in a like operator we use the the wildcard. Okay, so don't worry about the wildcard, it is just character. Okay, we normally use the two wildcards with the like operator. So one is this percentage sign and the other one is just underscore. Okay, this character, okay, the percentage character represent 0, 1 or multiple characters. Okay, but this underscore only represent a single character, remember that point. Okay, now how we use it, like I'm just writing a, then the percentage sign. Okay, and what does this thing mean, that the first letter of the continent must be a and other letters could be anything. I don't care about the other the words or the letters. So let's just run this and you will get the idea. Okay, now you can see that we are only having the continent that starts with a. So after the a, after the first keyword, it just simply means that my continent must start with a, okay, the letter. And if you just put the same thing in the end, what does this mean, that my continent must end with the a. The first letters could be anything, I don't care about the initial letters, but it must end in the a character, the small a character. Alright, so you can have a look at this. Now you can see that the last letter of the continent must be a small a. So this is how it works, but you can also use the in between words. Now I just want to have the a, okay, the capital A in the first and the small a in the last. Okay, what does this thing mean? Show me the countries whose continent letters start with the capital A and ends with the small a. So okay, let me just run this code. Okay, now you can see that the first letter of the continent is the capital A and the last letter of your continent is the small a. Alright, so this is how it works, and we also have the other conditions here, that we also use the underscore. Okay, what does this mean? Structure mean that the first letter must be the capital A and okay, the word at least contain the 2 or 3 characters. Alright, so this is how it's gonna work. And that I want my first letter to be, could be anything. Okay, what if I just want my third letter or the second letter or any letter in the middle, anything. So for that you need to write, I just want to have I'm writing the S here, and after the S I'm just want to write, okay, I just want to write this thing. What does this mean? That the second letter of the continent must be S. The first letter could be anything. Okay, I have already told you that this underscore only represent a single letter, okay, a single character. So the first word could be anything, but its second letter must be S, and afterward it could be anything as well. Now you can see this. Okay, we can also try another thing. What do I want here? That in my continent the second and third letter must be OR, and before that OR could be any word, and after that OR could be any letter. So for that what you need to write, first letter could be anything. For the single letter you write the underscore. Now I want OR, I want my second and the third letter, and after that it could be anything. Now you can see that it is giving me all the continent whose second and the third letter is OR. So this is how this like operator works. If I just simply define the like operator, it just help you to find specified pattern in a column. Alright, so this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.